Water Repair Pros specializes in water damage restoration.
Preview.
Whether you have water coming into your home from the outside, or simply a toilet overflowing, a water heater busting, or water supply line rupturing, whatever the case, we got your back.
Preview.
We come in and extract the water, set up the drying equipment, monitor it daily until it is completely dry, and even bill the insurance.
Preview.
Company for you directly. All you have to do is give us a call.